congressman.
Yan, driver na ng jeep yan.
Hindi, si Anan, si Manny Pacquiao, congressman.
Susunod kayo ah. Ay. Tela po may sasakay.
WBO Bantamweight Champion of the World. WBC.
Ready?
Good morning everybody. And to you, Miss Hamlet, this is Honda. To all who wants to listen, I am not being appreciated. But to all who don't, just be quiet. And you all are really appreciated. Everyone has a different way how to show their love. But the big question is, how do I love? How do I love? I give myself to her. And I will be her knight in shining armor. And I will always make her happy and smile all the time. I always be a gentleman to her. And I will be honest and be humble to her. And also, and I respect her and protect her all the time. Honest. I will always kiss and hug her. And most of all, always say yes. Also, I want to make her self-defense so that if we are not together, she can protect herself. And when we are together, I will always hold her hands and make her warm.
Warm.
And if we are of misunderstanding, I will explain to her why it happened. And I will comfort her and say I'm sorry for just what happened. I will do good things to make her smile. And if we are in my room and both lay down in my bed, I will hug her side and make her warm through the long cold night. You will be safe with me. That's the way how do I love. Thanks for listening.